Welcome. If you're looking to quickly view the emails you've sent that haven't been read yet in Gmail, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through a simple, updated method to check your sent unread emails directly from your phone, whether you're using Android or iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the Gmail app on your device. If you haven't already installed it, just download it from the Play Store or App Store and log in with your account. Once you're in the app, look to the top left corner of your screen. You'll see the menu icon, which looks like 3 horizontal lines, sometimes called the hamburger menu. Tap on that icon to open the main menu. Next, scroll through the list of folders and tap on Sent. This is where all the emails you've sent from your account are stored. Now here's the important part. Right under the search bar at the top, you should see a section labeled In Unread. Tap on In Unread. What this does is filter your sent emails, showing you only those that are still unread by their recipients. This is incredibly handy if you're waiting for a response or need to follow up on important messages. Take a look through this list. All the emails here are the ones you've sent, but haven't been opened yet by the person on the other end. It's a great way to keep track of your communication and ensure nothing slips through the cracks. If you ever want to go back to viewing all sent emails, just tap away from the In Unread section or clear the filter. That's it. A super straightforward process. Open Gmail, tap the menu, go to Sent, then tap In Unread. In just a few taps, you'll keep a closer eye on the emails that matter. Thanks for tuning in. For more helpful tips on making the most out of your Gmail experience, stick around and keep exploring.